Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Allure box, so let's get into it. Check it out. The Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. If you sign up for it just month over month, it is $25. We will have 6 products, 3 of which will be full-sized, at least 3, and it will have a value of $100 or more. That is our paperwork for this month. Ooh. And that is what all of our products look like. I don't think I've seen anybody unbox this, so this is fun. This is the October box. I have always purchased this from Amazon. It's easiest for me, but if you go to their website and you purchase it through them, if you purchase over time, you can bring the price down. And I hear that they do some customization. I've also heard that it's very difficult, that maybe they don't do it every month, but that you can do some customization through them. So I want to be sure and let you guys know that. I will just put the regular link to their website down below, and we're going to dig right in. I have the world's biggest scrunchie. That was a lot of scrunchie for this much hair. Oh my gosh. One of my girls will probably love this. All of my girls have more hair than me. They have long, thick hair. Luckily, they did not genetically get stuck with my fine, thin hair. Kristen S Oversized Scrunchie in Cheetah or Rust. So I say I got Cheetah. Yay. It is an $11.99 value, and it says upgrading your hair accessory can make the basic ponytail look like it made a whole lot of effort. This Tes silky fabric is perfect for pulling hair back without creating a dreaded crease. That said, don't underestimate the hold. Allure editors can confirm it's sturdy enough to wear during a workout. Interesting. Just pull all of my hair, all 8 of them, to one side. Go very 1950s here, but I want to make it so you guys can see it without me turning around. That's 2. That's definitely not enough for me yet. It's hard to find my hair in all that fabric. It's beautiful, right? Okay, first of all, it would be much better. It would be so better on the back of my head. Second of all, most people have way more hair. Looks ridiculous on the side of my head. It had great hold. I only did it 3 times. Even with my fine, thin hair, I didn't feel like it was going to come out immediately. It's very pretty. I'm sure it's very nice. I'm sure one of my girls will love it. That is from Kristen S. I feel like we've seen her in other boxes too, so I'd say it's a good brand. Next out, we have, it says TZ on the front, Tes Cosmetics. That is what that looks like. I have no idea what it is. It is Tes Suit of Armor, Don't Blush Me Blush. Don't blush me, blush. I just cut the tape on the bottom and it opens up like, who was that? Balm? The balm? Opens up and closes like a magnet, like one of theirs used to. That is the color in mauve. That is a pretty good color, either for me or my mom, so we will swatch that. That is very pretty. We're in a blush season. I just had a blush all over me from my Ipsy box. This one is more subtle and probably more me, so that is pretty. I like that. The paperwork says this has a $22 value. You'll love it because a little blush goes a long way to brighten your face. In particular, this mauve pink powder does an excellent job of mimicking that same healthy rosy flush you get from a jog in the park on a brisk October day. It's like they know me, but without the sweat. So, oops, holding it upside down that whole time. That is what that looks like. They don't know. I'm out there jogging in the park every day. Next, we have the Style Edit Root Concealer. Color Adaptive Pigments. Medium brown. Well, that's pretty much me. You know what? I have a wedding tomorrow. I might go try this today and see how it looks. I didn't feel like I could go get my hair colored because my lump is still sore. And anytime anybody messes with it, it's very sore. And I just felt like the mature thing to do would be not to have my hair colored. And now there are regrets. There are definitely regrets. This is actually not in the book. It's just on the back as an ad. Your gray growth instantly gone. Salon-worthy root touch-ups, 35% off. Amazon Stash Style Edit with Allure 35. Here, let me show you guys that. And that is this. I don't think I want to mess with it too much here because I'm making a couple more videos. But if I do it and it's easy to see and it works nicely, I will take a picture and show you guys. Okay, next out, I have a Caudalie Premier Cru Le Creme. I don't know what it is. I think it might be an eye cream. Caudalie Premier Cru Eye Cream. They say the eyes have it, but last we checked, that didn't include dark circles, puffiness, or fine lines. To keep you looking bright-eyed, Caudalie Luxe Cream pampers the delicate skin in the eye area with plumping hyaluronic acid and hydrating avocado oil. It is $28 for 5 ml, and we have 5 ml. They're saying that this is $28 in value. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna look at the ingredients and make sure that it's not a problem to try it before I put it on my eyes. But I need a new eye cream. You guys know I loved, oh wow, I'm just squeezing the heck out of this. I haven't even gotten to eye cream yet. There we go. Can you guys see how much I had to squeeze that down? Anyway, I loved my City Beauty eye cream and they discontinued it. So I have been back on the search for another eye cream that is just as good as that was with my dark circles, which I don't know that I will ever find. Almost no scent. It feels like it's absorbing really nicely. I will for sure give that a try and would love to find another eye cream. Next out, I have an AntiChafing Stick from First Aid Beauty. Interesting. I haven't chafed. You know when I quit chafing? How many of you does this affect? I quit chafing when pantyhose went out of style. Back in the day, as a thick-thighed girl, whenever I was in dresses, which was a lot back in the day, and we had to wear pantyhose, which we did back in the day. Yep, I'm gonna keep saying back in the day. I would chafe. Since we gave up pantyhose, I don't chafe anymore. Again, that is what that looks like. And it says this stick doesn't require any warming up, literally before using it, and glides on like a duck on water along sensitive inner thigh skin. A layer or two of First Aid Beauty's non-greasy formula shields skin from irritation while hydrating shea butter and soothing colloidal oatmeal. With hydrating shea butter and soothing colloidal oatmeal. It is $20 for 1.7 ounces. We have 0.35 ounces. I have about a fifth, which would be about $4 worth. I'm not gonna open this. If you guys have any other clever ideas with what you can do, like can you put anti-chafe cream on your feet? Will it make you not get blisters? Is there anything else that you can do with this? If not, I will pass it along because I don't wear pantyhose anymore, and since I don't wear pantyhose, I don't chafe. That said, we'll killed for that back in the day. Next out, we have Flannery Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Vivifying Serum. Wonder what needs to be vivified. Hyaluronic acid, so that is our theme for the month. I think everything we've opened has had hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid is known for its hydration powerhouse, and it's the star ingredient in this intensely nourishing formula. With help from antioxidant-rich jojoba oil and moisturizing glycerin, your skin will stay ultra soft. Plus, the addition of glycolic acid helps smooth away dullness. I'm gonna pass this one along. Actually, what good timing. My mom was saying this morning that she felt like her skin felt really dry and rough and she wanted to try something more aggressive. So this might be perfect for that. Press this lightweight, milky looking hydrator into your face and neck until it fully absorbs. $79 value. Okay, and last out we have this big yellow tub of Maskin and Relaxin, a moisturizing scalp mask. It looks amazing. It's the vibrancy of that yellow coming through. I feel like it's kind of throbbing there. Throbbing? Well, that's a word. This says, having this bright yellow bottle in your shower is a friendly reminder that your scalp is skin, which means it needs a deep clean in the same way you would use a detoxifying face mask. This weekly treatment is infused with kale and clay to absorb dirt and excess oil, plus aloe to soothe irritation. It is $11.99 for 4 ounces. That is what we have. I wonder if is it sealed? Let's see. It is not, so I will go ahead and sniff it. I don't generally pass along things that aren't sealed. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't care for that. Nope. So I know what I'll do. I said I don't like it. Let me sniff it again and again. Okay, one more time just to see if I can identify what it is I don't care for. The smell. It's the smell I don't care for. What did they say was in here? Probiotics, retinol, so I was never going to use it anyway. Charcoal, kale and clay, tea tree oil, which generally, I know that's a strong smell, but not one that generally offends me. I don't mind tea tree oil. Peppermint oil, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So it just must be the combination. But interesting, the second ingredient is retinol. I do not believe that the second most ingredient in here is retinol. Okay, I will find this at home. That is our Allure box, or was the Allure box for October 2023. We got this Kristen S ginormous scrunchie, this ever so interestingly scented scalp mask, the Style Edit Root color. I may give that a try. I may mess with it later this afternoon to see if it will help for the wedding. Anti-Chafe Stick from First Aid Beauty. We have the, I think maybe Flannery serum that has glycolic acid in it. The Suit of Armor blush, and that is a good color for me. And this, what was it that I was gonna like? Oh, the Cuddly Eye Cream. Definitely gonna give that a try. As long as once I read the ingredients, I can. Okay, that's a good box, right? I really feel like that was a good box this month. Some items I will keep, some items I will pass along, but I would argue definitely worth the $25 if you can use the items in it. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by and checking this out with me. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.